No. It's not happening. Who's watching you?
Some lady.
What does she look like?
Red hair.
That's my neighbor.
Oh, she's calling me. She can tell me later.
Okay, we'll keep dancing.
What are you doing?
You'll see. You're not gonna open this door, you retard.
What are you doing?
You'll see.
What do you mean I'll see? When will I see?
You'll see when you go home. And you go on Facebook.
Oh no. Are you taking pictures?
No.
What are you doing?
You'll see.
Tell me.
Oh
Tell me.
boy. Continue your shenanigans. You're not gonna open this door, you retard. It's called a lock.
Why don't you tell me?
Because that would be too funny.
Okay, I'm going home.
Alright.
I wish I could see you, but I can't. So. Goodbye.
Goodbye.